extend the service life of the hinge. Prior to installation of the hinge, the customer should first determine the numbers of hinge to be used based on the door weight and dimension, and the space between the door and door frame should be more than or equal to 5 mm. In the installation process, firstly, determine the opening direction of the door depending on the pulling direction, which is divided into left and right directions, and then install in the upper and lower directions indicated on the hinge. The installation steps of multifunctional hydraulic debargable hinge are roughly the same as the common hinge. Upon installation, if the door can be freely opened and closed without abnormal sound, and also can be smoothly and slightly pulled with hands, the door is installed successfully. Then adjust the closing strength. Insert the hexagonal key with a scale into the inner bore of the screw on the top of the hinge, and then rotate the key in the clockwise direction to insert it into the 10 to 23 mm. The specific adjustment is that the door can be automatically locked when it is opened for around 10 cm. Finally, adjust the closing speed. Insert the hexagonal key with a scale into the screw hole at the lower end of the hinge, and then rotate the hexagonal key in the clockwise direction to insert it into 1 to 5 mm. The specific adjustment standard is that the door stops at 10 to 15 cm before totally closing to reach the suspension effect, so that it can prevent against the damage of door leaf. We warmly remind all customers that the closing speed and closing strength of multifunctional hinge on the same door leaf should be adjusted to be the same as possible, so as to better use the hinge. Loose the fixed screw, and then door leaf and frame can be separated when the door is fixed on the door stop at 100 degrees. The reason is that the fixed function at 100 degrees can make two or more alcoves of the axis on the same door leaf on the same angle. The door leaf can be smoothly and completely installed when it is a small swung left and right. The enterprise develops depending on the enterprise innovation. Our products show originality and pursue perfection from design to manufacture. The rigorous quality test ensures the product can be used for more than 300,000 times in normal condition. In the future, Yishuda prefers to be the angel to protect thousands of households and also guard your home and family with excellent quality.